Hi, this is Josh with MarineMax in New York. Today we're looking at a brand new Sea Ray 320 Sundancer. This boat comes with the classic white hull, dune interior, nice wraparound seating. Comes with a fridge, extendable sunshade right there. Will extend further enough to go over your rear seating. Nice helm area, 2 large Sundancer screens, joystick piloted, easy accessible switches to both the left and right of the steering wheel. So you walk up to the front. It's a feature that makes this boat so unique that you don't find on many cabin boats. Has a great spacious bow, split bow rail so you can step through for forward docking, radio controls up front, take a look inside. This boat just arrived, still being put together. You see nice forward area of seating, table, large windows so natural light can come through. Under the cockpit in the rear berth. Comes with a microwave. Here's another fridge. Cabinets for storage. Really nice head. Great material use. Shower. Nice easy steps. Plenty of grab rails. As we step outside, here's a look at the hull of this boat. As I mentioned before, classic white finish. Very good looking boat, very classic. If you have any questions about this boat, give us a call at MarineMax in New York. My name is Josh, we'll be happy to help.